Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoka. Bekuripotwe kuthiwa uKhuliso Mudau uzojoyina i-Orlando Pirates, noma sithi kungenzeka ajoyine i-Orlando Pirates. Umuntu oripotile uKarabo Phasha, umuntu osebenzela i-SuperSport, uba yi-commentator, abe yi-journalist, abe around nje media, so around abantu abaningi kakhulu. When he reported that, sonke savele sakholwa ukuthi okay, maybe there's something between uKhuliso Mudau ne-Orlando Pirates. Guess what? Ukhipha istatement laphana ku-Twitter uKarabo exolisa ukuthi basithole wrong le story lesi. Uthi dala balandela le story since August 2025. Uthi yena kusho ukuthi abantu babatshela amanga. Uthi-ke intel uyithathe noma ngithi isource yakhe abantu aba-close to i-player ne-club, so yibo bebamtshela zonke lezi zinto lezi, or bebabatshela zonke lezi zinto lezi. Kanti-ke ekugcineni kwatholakala ukuthi amanga lento le ayiriphothayo ukuthi uKhuliso Mudau might be going to Orlando Pirates. Yes, might be going to Orlando Pirates. Akwenzekanga-ke. But mina, okay, I question this thing. As soon as ngiyibona I question ngathi Orlando Pirates, I don't believe ukuthi they can pay uKhuliso Mudau. Banga-offer, let's say, better package, especially player efana noKhuliso Mudau. Yes, mase ngidiga deep ngenze research, I got ukuthi Orlando Pirates bengam-afford uKhuliso Mudau because of lapha ku-Sundowns bengekho ku-contract enkulu, which was into engithuse kakhulu ukuthi yabo, Khuliso Mudau, one of the best players in South African football, is not even even seen or valued that much ku-Sundowns because of beshaya nge-contract eyodwa. So ungithusile konke lokho, ngabona so maybe it makes sense ukuthi Orlando Pirates maybe bengenze i-approach. But inkinga yalabantu laba ama-journalist or abantu abasebenzela labo SuperSport noma lo repotile, isitori sakhe asinalutho, si-empty. Cabanga umuntu one-intel engaka but ku-report isitori esi-empty kanje. Bekumele asho ukuthi i-agent lakalo yile lasitshela, noma I'm trying to quote him, yabo, ukuthi yena bekumele asho ukuthi no, i-agent lakaKhuliso Mudau wayithola information ku-agent lakaKhuliso Mudau, noma wayithola i-information kubantu ku-Orlando Pirates or whatever. But yena akakushongo konke lokho, uvele nje wathi kune-chance ukuthi uKhuliso Mudau singamangali if uzojoyina i-Orlando Pirates. Manje isitori isicollapsile, ivaliwe i-transfer window. Uxolisa nje kuphela ukuthi he was misled. Akabaveze labo bantu labo sibone ukuthi okay, bamrobhe kanjani, cause ama-journalist asile. Cause for me it made sense ukuthi bewazama ukumanipulate i-situation, ukwenza lese maybe Sundowns ukuthi isheshe imnike i-deal uKhuliso Mudau, imnike i-deal ayidingayo, ukuthi babone ngempela ukuthi uKhuliso Mudau kune-chance ukuthi ahambe. So create i-buzz about uKhuliso Mudau, i-chance yakhe ukuthi ajoyine i-Orlando Pirates, ukukhosa i-distraction noma ukuconfuse nje abantu aba-around, nalaba abamfunayo uKhuliso Mudau bakwazi ukushesha, nalaba i-Sundowns njengoba ithi uKhuliso Mudau is not available, ikwazi ukumnika i-contract le ayidingayo uKhuliso Mudau, exciting ukuthi akwazi ukuhola afane namanye ama-senior players laphana ku-Sundowns because of uKhuliso Mudau ku-contract ayisana ngo-2020, imagine, cabanga. But ibhola uma ungacabangeli abantu bayakucabangela noma bayakunegotiate-ela abantu. You become so big, but-ke ubig but you still operating nge-contract yakudala ngoba wasayina i-contract ya-5 years and isame kanjalo. Ingakho uma ngiveza i-frustration kaKhuliso Mudau ngithi ayikho enye, bokuyimali kuphela bafethu, ayikho enye. Frustrated naye umfana ukuthi akazi i-contract yakhe ya-renew laphana ku-Sundowns. Cela uzibambalanisa kaKhuliso Mudau bafethu. Disappointing results for i-Sundowns izolo, but they're still in it. Bahleli laphana ku-number 2, yabona abantu abasemuva, but lama game azodlala kusho ukuthi azoba important kakhulu because iLupopo nayo iyanyonyoba laphana if ingakwazi ukushaya i-Sundowns laphana ehome yabo noma ehome yayo, kungaba interesting kakhulu laphana egroupini. But Miguel Caroso kumele azame ngempela ukuziphika up naye. I think igame ezoba redeemer noma ezobanika i-confidence ile badlala neGomora ngithi. Yes, badlala neGomora United. Team naye efele-ke. If khona i-team engana chance, ayina chance ngempela-ke bafethu ukuthi ishaye i-Sundowns. But inhlanhla kwesinye isikhathi phela ikhona, ziyenzeka izinto, but hayi iGomora ngiyibukelile bafethu idlala ne-Cape Town City. Hayi izifele i-team yenkosi, angifuni ukungasho. Eyifile leya team. Hayi. Sundowns izogwazela ibhece nje khona, maybe bangadlala even nange-third team. I don't know man, what I'm seeing from i-Sundowns ukuthi sebadlalisa iy'trike eziyi-2, bayamgcina uLeon laphana inside the field of play and then bafake uPeter Shalulile, but there's no use ukuthi badlalise iy'trike eziyi-2 against iGomora United. I think bazoyishaya kalula iGomora. Ayikho into ezokwenzeka ngempela iGomora versus Sundowns. When Sundowns iwinela easy, but-ke bazobuya ku-Betway Premiership naku-continental level. So bona ukuthi after namhlanje ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso bazothini kuye laphana ku-Sundowns, cause isikhathi sakhe ngempela ngoba liyamshonela ngempela laphana ku-Sundowns, liyamshonela bafethu, isikhathi sakhe siyaphela. Sazi ukuthi maybe uzozama ukukhuluma ukuthi akwazi ukusave, abatshele ukuthi nothing is lost laphana ku-team yena-ke uzoyithatha i-team ayibeke kuma-knockout stages, which is almost guaranteed for i-Sundowns looking at i-group yabo. But yeah, iy'nkinga zilokhu ziyanda nguMiguel Cardoso. Uzoba more frustrated ukuthi akawatholanga ama-results, noma ngithi abawatholanga ama-results. Yini into elekayo laphana ngempela ku-Sundowns? Do they need i-creativity laphana esiswini, bangadlali ngama-Europe, bangakholelwa lese kuma-Europeans nama-South Americans kuphela? Because masibheka ku-Sundowns namhlanje abantu abadlalile abase-South America, Europe, different parts of i-Africa, uDivine Lunga ungene second half, uPeter Shalulile ungene second half, uLeon bekhona-ke igame yonke, and then kuno-Arthur Sales, kuno-Risinho, kuno-Santosi, kuno-Dennis Onyango. So you could see ukuthi omunye uthe i-Sundowns ifana ne-Real Madrid, kusho ukuthi isayine ama-players from different parts of the world. I mean, it makes sense mase soyibheka kahle, so ibona ukuthi vele badlalisa ama-international players amaningi laphana ethimini yabo, which for i-Sundowns for i-Champions League, I think it makes sense because bona they want i-success ngenkani laphana ku-Champions League, and bakhompyutha nama-teams amakhulu asayine ama-players ngama-big monies. So nabo bazama ukumecha leyo nto leyo ukuthi balethe ama-players ayi-exciting ethimini, but if lawo ma-player abathi ayi-exciting abawasayina ngey'mali serious, awalethi ama-results, or noma kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi ba-adapt, cause angeke bakusayine nge-50 million ukuthi uzothatha 2 years uku-adapta noma uzothatha 6 months. You gotta adapt immediately, asikho isikhathi sokuthi urelaxe, you gotta adapt laphana ethimini. But yeah, hard luck to i-Sundowns, ama-results wayizolo, sithemba ukuthi bazoqhubeka, bazoprogressa to the next stage of the competition. Makungaba yi-collapse kungaba inkinga kakhulu, but yeah, it won't make sense for bona as i-Sundowns njalo they progress to ama-knockout stages. Cela ukuzibamba lana kwamanje bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.